Hello students, you're most welcome to my channel Aditya Vikram Rai, and I am a subject teacher of maths of Album Public School, and today's we have to learn patterns, but after that we have to learn there is a one question of exercise 11.1, so we have to clear it. Okay, so let's start. What you have to do? You have to join the dots and color the picture. And how many lines of each kind did you draw? You have to count. Join the dots and color the picture. How many lines of each kind did you draw? Okay. So you have to see this picture carefully and count the number of lines. What you have to do? You have to write a number of standing lines, number of sleeping lines, and number of slanting lines and number of curved lines. Once your number of standing lines is 9, and after that we have to write number of sleeping lines. So number of sleeping lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number of sleeping lines is 10. Okay, number of sleeping lines is 10, and next one is slanting lines. So we have to count slanting lines. You can see here that there are only two slanting lines. So we have to write here 2. The number of slanting lines is 2. Okay, and the next is curved lines. In this picture you can see here that there are many circles. So circles are made from curved lines. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles, 7, 8, 9 circles, and one semicircle. So there are 10 curved lines. Okay, 9 circles and one semicircle. So there are 10 curved lines. Now come on, next there is patterns. What are patterns? You know that repeated shapes form a pattern. Look at the following patterns. You have to look at the following patterns. You can see here that there are repeated shape. First is first there is leaf, flower, leaf, flower, leaf, flower. You can see here that leaf is repeated again and again, and flower is also repeated again and again. Okay, so leaf, flower, leaf, flower, leaf, flower. If you want to continue the pattern, that will be leaf and then after flower, leaf then after flower. Okay, and next one is in second there is a sun, and after that there is a moon. Sun, moon, sun, moon. Okay, so if you want to continue this pattern, there will be sun, after that moon, sun, after that moon. So on first there is sun, and on second there is moon, and these shapes are repeated again and again. Okay, as like for sun is on first and third and on fifth, and moon is on second, on fourth, on sixth. Okay, and in third picture you can see here, you have to see carefully. On first there is a orange, on second there is a guava, and on third there is a papaya. There are three shapes that are repeating. Okay, there are three shapes. First is orange, second is guava, and third is papaya. So first, second, third, first, second, third. On first there is orange, on second there is guava, and on third there is papaya. This pattern, these shapes once again repeated, as like on first there is orange, on fourth there is orange, and next there will be on sixth there orange. Okay, 7, sorry, and on second there is guava, and on fifth there is guava, and next will be on 8 there will be guava. Okay, and on third there is papaya, on 6 there is papaya, and in next pattern on 9 there will be papaya. Okay, so come on exercise 11.2. Come on exercise 11.2. What you have to do? Sonu has drawn some patterns in his notebook. Sonu has drawn some patterns in his notebook. Continue them. What you have to do? Sonu has drawn some patterns in the notebook. Continue them. Okay, so there you can see here that on first there is a circle, and on second there is a red triangle. once again there is circle, once again there is triangle, once again there is circle, and next will be triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Okay, so then in first there will be triangle. Okay, in first there will be triangle, and you have to color the triangle with same the color, with color, you have to color the triangle with same color. Okay, in first, from which color the triangles are colored, you have to color this picture also. Okay, in second there is a star, square, star, square, star, and after that there will be square. Okay, in third there is octagon, then square, then octagon, then square, then octagon, and after that there will be square. Okay, in fourth there is a rectangle, pentagon, rectangle, pentagon, rectangle, pentagon. In next will be pentagon. Okay, once again, in first circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, next will be triangle. In second, star, square, star, square, star, and next will be square. And in third there is octagon, square, octagon, square, octagon, and next will be square. And in fourth, rectangle, pentagon, rectangle, pentagon, rectangle, and next will be pentagon. And you have to color these pictures with the same color, as like the triangles with blue color, the stars with pink color. Okay, and then you have to color the pictures with same color. Okay, now come on question number B. Color the white boxes to continue the pattern. You can see here that there is a pattern given here. Color the white boxes to continue the pattern. In white boxes, what will be there? Listen carefully. In first row, in first row, in the white boxes there will be, in first row there will be orange. Yeah, there will be orange. Okay, in first row there will be orange. And in second row, the white box is colored with green. And in third row, there are not any white boxes. In fourth row, the first will be from red and the second will be from blue. In fifth row, there are no white boxes. In sixth row, the first will be from pink and the second will be from yellow. Once again, in first series, in first row means there is blue, and after that there is white box. So this box with colored with orange color to continue the pattern. Okay, in first row the white box colored with orange color. In second row the white box colored with green color, and in third row there are not any. White boxes. In fourth row, the first will be from red and the second will be from blue. In fourth, there are no white boxes, and in sixth row, the first will be from pink and the second will be from yellow to continue the pattern. Thank you. Come on next topic, that is draw what comes next in the pattern. On first, this, second, this, third, this, fourth, this, fifth, this. You can see here that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 patterns are repeating. Okay. So second pattern will be next pattern. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on fifth, that is first pattern shape. And on sixth, there will be second pattern. Okay. As like there are 4 patterns and these are repeating. So on fifth there is first shape, and on sixth there will be second shape. Okay, thank you. And the next is maths lab activity. Let's see. We have to see this topic on tomorrow. Okay, and you have to do exercise 11.2 in your CW copy and in your fair copy. And we have to learn maths lab activity, mental maths and worksheet on next day. Thank you.